How to fix Instagram locked out problem. First thing is go install VPN from the Play Store and make sure you have the fastest VPN. Once you finish up that, just check out whether or not your Instagram account is updated. If not, you have to then. So next step is go to settings and find Instagram app in the app and notification bar. Once you find it, just clear Instagram data storage and force stop the app. And now you need to do is connect the VPN you just installed. Alright, finally go to your Instagram and log in with your username and email address. Thanks for watching. If the video helped you, please like and subscribe.